First decent find of the day, a buckle. Who's H.J. Collins? Anybody know? What is it, man? I don't know. I'll put that back in. It's a turtle. He dyed it. Nobody's home. Definitely not a ring. Just some weird round lid to something. No writing on it. And a hunk of metal. How exciting. Well, at least it's round. Down deep, wedged under a root. Half a horseshoe. Or mule shoe. Some shoe. Right next to the horseshoe, a gear. I'm not sure what this is. I thought it was a push pin. Like the pin would be here. Push pin. Push pin. But I don't know, it's very heavy. Any idea? Looks like an old adjustable wrench. There'd be a piece here. I don't know how old it is, but I'll try to clean it up later. An old file. Neat. In the same hole, a plow point. Well, I thought this was a coin. But now I just don't know what it is. Could be a button. Is it in focus? It's hard to tell. This is just a button off of something. I don't know. Thought it was a coin for sure. Okay, so my camera died on me. I didn't get to film the wrap up yesterday and the rest of my finds. So go over it now. Lots of trash this time. It's amazing how much trash I pull up. Nothing real good in there. Usual assortment of melted lead. I'll come back to that in a minute. Pretty nice mason jar. Just sitting out there. Someone had dug and decided not to take. We have our usual, our favorite, shotgun shells and bullets. Some miscellaneous. There's a half a horseshoe. This is like a button, but it's not. It's not a button you would wear, but a button you would push. Pretty ornate door handle. It's a banner day for buckles. I think I got a couple of those on film before I ran out, but the last one here looks really old. It's pretty crusty. A lock. This lock is interesting because someone sawed it and took whatever was inside. The lock was protecting. You can definitely see the little saw marks. Another button. Some clad. Some old tools. I think I showed those. Part of a wrench, part of a file. One day I'll get the whole clock. Some junk. There's that push pin top. H.J. Collins. I think I showed that too. Don't know who that is. This rock was interesting. It's magnetic. I stuck a magnet on there. So is it a meteorite? I don't know. I'm going to look into that some more. But here is the find of the day. And unfortunately I didn't get this one filmed. I thought this was just melted lead when I pulled it up. And it kind of looks like it, but if you look really close, it's a little army guy. It's a flat army. You see the gun in his head, and he's laying down. I almost threw it away. I almost thought it was just the melted lead that I find, because I find so much of it. It often looks exactly like that. So I don't know if this was a piece of jewelry or a lead toy, because it's definitely lead. But it's kind of weird, huh? So that's it. If you see anything in here that I didn't identify and you know what it is, please let me know. And there's the little army guy again. That's all for now.